Remember, it was Uncle Jeff's birthday party. Remember? And do you remember Nanny and Poppy were there? Do you remember Jenny was there and Jeff? And Caitlin? Yeah. Remember Christy and Mark were there? Do you remember that? Hey, we don't do that. Hey, we don't do that. Okay, and then what we do? We came home, and we read books for a little bit. And then now we're going to go over to Grandma Darlene's. And we're going to watch football. And little Ian gets to take a nap. Now what? You ready to go bye-bye soon? Bye-bye. Okay. Who's that over there? Okay. Am I down?